Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals in 2 weeks. First, create a comprehensive study schedule for the next 14 days, allocating specific times for each subject. Next, identify all the subjects and topics that will be covered on your exams. Then, prioritize your study efforts by focusing on the most challenging subjects or those that carry a higher percentage of your final grade. This structured approach ensures you cover all necessary material efficiently. Now, let's dive into effective study techniques. Implement active recall by regularly quizzing yourself on the material without looking at your notes. This method significantly boosts retention. Additionally, summarize key concepts in your own words to ensure deep understanding, rather than just memorization. Finally, practice extensively with past exams or sample questions to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions you might encounter. This prepares you for exam day. Maintaining your well-being is crucial during this intense period. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to consolidate learning and reduce stress. Incorporate short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every 45 to 60 minutes of study, to prevent burnout. Also, remember to stay well hydrated and consume nutritious meals consistently. These habits will keep your mind sharp and your energy levels stable throughout your study period. For your final review, go over all your summarized notes and flashcards one last time, focusing on areas where you still feel less confident. The night before each exam, ensure you get a good night's sleep. It's more beneficial than cramming. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Trust in your preparation, stay calm, and perform your best. You've put in the work, and now it's time to show what you know.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.